Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of TCW TV. You joined us here today at Williams Manchester. We're here to check out the new Land Rover Defender 90 and the hardtop version as well. As you can see, we're all social distancing. We've got our face masks on, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay. But we're going to have a look around the hardtop first, and then we'll have a look around the 90 next. So we've got the new Defender hardtop. As you can see, this is a prototype vehicle. So we've got this on preview today down here at Williams Manchester. Let's have a quick walk around. You've got the steel wheels, which I think look amazing. I think whether you get in a commercial vehicle or the other vehicle, I think that steelies look great. You've got the roof rack. Let's have a quick look in the front. So these are only going to come with very limited specs to start off with, but they are going to be changed. So I think this is the let's have a quick look. This is the D240 engine. There are going to be more released at a later date. And as you can see, there's no back seats in this, even though this is a 110. So you've just got the front cabin, and then you've got the rear. Let's have a quick look. So in here, we've just got it fully stripped out. Again, made for purpose for a commercial vehicle. And if we come round to the back, we've got a ladder there, which I think's great. I'm actually tempted to get a double ladder on mine, one on both sides. Again, there's the rear, all open. And obviously the side panel, so you can promote your business. And what's interesting is when you look at these side panels, it looks like there's some kind of protection or plastic over the windows. I'm not sure whether that'll be able to be taken out, but if you look on the outside, there's actually windows. So I assume at a later date we might be able to take them out and maybe like the old one, have some pull down seats. Again, lots of storage. These are all cabinets in here as well. And this is fit for purpose, obviously, as a commercial vehicle. I'm looking forward to seeing what new variants they bring out. Because I think for us as a photography company, I think if we could get all the luxury of the other ones in the front, but still have the use of the commercial vehicle in the back, then that'll be the perfect vehicle for us. So we're just looking at the commercial vehicle again, and there is storage absolutely everywhere. You look there, you've got a little boot within the boot. I don't know if that's a technical term, but we'll go with boot. And then you've got these little side pockets here which pull out, which I believe go the full width of the car. And then we've got these ones here as well. There you go. Just get all your tools in there. Very nifty, very handy. I'm sure we'll get some great use in the commercial world. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay, because obviously got the mask on. But we're down here at Land Rover Manchester. These guys have got a Defender Day put on, and they've done a collaboration with Private White, who is actually one of our customers at the barber's shop. Great guy, great product, and they've teamed up with Defender to do a little bit of a launch of the new Defender. So you've got the private white jackets, very fitting with the Defender brand. And you've got all the Army Commando fellas jumping down. Let's have a quick look in this one. This is just the standard 110. It's not the commercial. Nice spec, very similar to what we did on the off-road day. Very similar spec. So we've got the prototype 90. It's a side profile for me that looks amazing. I think that's why it wins over the 110. It's the iconic shape. And then you've got the big wheels on this one. On the all-terrain, I think that'll be a definite win. Coming around the back, you've got the iconic lights. Let's have a quick look in the boot. A lot of people said to me, get the 110 because of the boot space isn't that big. But again, if we look at this, it isn't the biggest boot, but you do have the option to drop all the seats flat. And that other side will drop down as well. And as you can see, you can fit pretty much anything in there. So I think that kind of counteracts the fact that the boot isn't that big. So have a quick look round. And I think the windows, without the back doors, look slick. Let's have a quick look inside. So again, very similar to the 110. I don't think you're sacrificing anything apart from the rear space. So it's quite funny. This is the grey that was available that we were going to go for. Obviously, it's just been announced that they're bringing out the Carpathian grey, which is slightly darker grey than this, close to the Cornish grey that we had on the old Defender. Even in this lighter grey though, against the black, I think it looks great. And this is probably the best looking one that I've actually seen and the best spec'd one. So it's going to be interesting to see again when this comes out in the Carpathian grey, how that makes a difference then. We've seen the Defender 90 now, the prototype, and we've seen the commercial hardtop. Both great vehicles, still very limited on what information we've got or what engines are going to come out in the commercial side. So again, I'm still interested in seeing what they've got there. This Defender 90 though does look stunning. This is probably going to be the one that we're actually going to go for. Like I said, looks great, not as practical, but it's a Defender 90. So there it is, we've got the Defender 90 and the 110. Which one would you choose? So that's it guys, we've seen all the cars, we've seen the prototype 90, we've seen the commercial vehicle, the hardtop, and we've seen a very stunning 110 Defender as well. So which one would you guys choose, the 90 or the 110? Let me know what you think, and we'll do some follow-up videos from there as well. So make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon.